Number 2. PK Grills Original PK300. The PK Grills Original PK300 is a versatile cooking machine that will elevate your outdoor culinary game. Grilling and smoking are made easy with this cast aluminum beauty, featuring a unique shape and 4-point venting system for impeccable results. The 315 square inches of cooking surface is perfect for a variety of dishes, from juicy steaks to whole turkeys. The large workshelf provides ample space for prep work and can easily be folded down for portability. Plus, the extra long handles on the vents, probe thermometer opening, and adjustable rubber feet make for a user-friendly experience. The tight-fitting lid ensures that your food stays flavorful and moist throughout the smoking process, while the hot charcoal delivers consistently delicious results. Controlling the 4 vents may take some practice, but once mastered, the PK Grill's Original PK300 proves to be one of the best options on the market for smoking enthusiasts. However, beginners may find it challenging to control the heat initially, leading to some overcooked dishes. But with a little patience and practice, this minor issue can be easily overcome, making this grill a standout choice for those looking to up their smoking game. In conclusion, the PK Grill's Original PK300 is a top-notch option for grilling and smoking, with its superior heat conduction and innovative design setting it apart from the competition. If you're in the market for a charcoal grill that excels at smoking, look no further than this impressive model. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.